The grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with your spirit. We're going to continue on with Feedly, sorry. For some reason I keep mispronouncing that. And go through a few more things on configuration. You will notice that you can also change the way they appear by just changing the type. Maybe you just want a card view, so you can set that up. I like the magazine view, gives me a condense. But now let's take a look at, maybe we want to come into here and let's start saving off some information. It'll kind of walk you through some of the things here, but let's go ahead and we can mark something for reading for later, and it'll just add it into this area right here for read for later. But let's say that you have a little bit more, want a little bit more organization as to what classification it's for reading for later. You can save it to a board, and as you can see right now we don't have any boards right now. We can create a board here, or as we are viewing the content, we can click on here and we'll create our first board. And maybe we want to review we're going to review for posting. So these are maybe ones that we find extremely interesting, and we may want to share or post to another site. And so we have it there. So we're going to review that for posting for later. And then if we take a look at our board, it'll be in there as well. There is a ability to share to a few of the different sites like LinkedIn or Twitter, and you can also then personalize which ones, like we won't use Evernote, and we probably don't want to post to LinkedIn or Buffer, but we may want to email something off, and that kind of handles the ability to then post to, let's say, Facebook. And then it'll just ask you to log in with your Facebook, and boom, it would be posted there. One of the things that I like on the mobile device side, if we click into here, is that if we are reading a story like this, now one of the things that we have in the mobile device is this share button. And since I have things installed in here, like for Faith Life, that's this site right here, I can post directly into that site. But let's say another place I really like to post is I keep things for notes for later. So I may pull something in and I might like that article, and I'll just classify it as, I want to put that into my news feed and save it off. Now that also then, of course, that is a different account, so let me bring up that account. And then, oops, sorry. If we open up a new tab, we click on this, you'll see we got the keep there. So I can pass things back and forth between desktop and my mobile devices, whether that be the phone or a tablet. But then this gives me an ability to just share it across the different services so that I can access that information from multiple places. And then that one just popped in. It came from the Christian News. That kind of gives me that ability to do that sharing, or if you want to send it to somebody's phone or send it off to their phone, you can do that as well. I think that covers it for this one. God's blessings. Thank you for watching.